Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Dr. Agus Subowo, SPDI, SPD, MPD, dosen dari Prodi S1 Pendidikan Ekonomi, Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing pertama dari mahasiswa yang bernama Muhammad Badrani Azhari dengan judul skripsi Pengaruh Sel Efikasi dan Internal Locus of Control terhadap kematangan karir siswa SMKN 40 Jakarta. Berikut ini adalah pemaparan hasil penelitian dari mahasiswa saya tersebut. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Namo Buddhaya, greeting of virtue. Good morning, afternoon, evening, and night. First of all, Mr. and Mrs. lecturers who I respect. Introducing myself, my name Muhammad Badrani Azhari from Office Education Administration, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta, class of 2019 with name 1709619017. Let me present a research proposal entitled The Influence of Self-Efficacy and Internal Locus of Control on the Career Maturity of Students at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta, which consists of three main chapters. First, Chapter 1, Introduction, Chapter 2, Literature Review, and Chapter 3, Research Methodology. Let me explain as follows. Chapter 1, Introduction. Education today has transformed following the digital revolution and technological disruption. This is a challenge for all fields as a form of implication of the progress the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Without exception in the field of education. This is a challenge for educational institutions to develop in tandem with the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where vocational high schools are the link between the two. Mapping the challenge of Industry 4.0, opportunities must be done to prevent various negative impacts in people's life. One of which is the problem of unemployment. The impact is that some job professions will disappear, replaced by technology, which makes the job market increasingly narrow. Based on the data from the Central Statistics Agency, in 2022, there were 8.40 million employed people, and based on the number of employed people according to education, vocational high schools contributed the highest employment of 10.38% or 900,000 people. The data on employment based on education, in line with the graduation data of Vocational High School 40 Jakarta in 2023, can be seen that almost a third of students, or 54 students, have not found their intended career, while 111 students have found their careers either working, college, and entrepreneurship. In this phenomenon, the factors that can cause students to fail in continuing their career come from the students themselves, one of which is the students' belief in their abilities, so that career maturity is declared not ready to continue their careers. Based on the results of interviews with several students in class 12 of each major at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta, almost all of them have high self-efficacy, beliefs, and are confident in their skills. However, in terms of their internal locus of control, it can be seen that they are still affected by external influence, such as the environment, friends, and advice from others. Both of variable self-efficacy and internal locus of control, variables are very influential on their career maturity. They find it difficult to decide on the direction of their career, such as not having a plan and not being ready because there is still a lot to learn. But some of them have careful preparation to choose what career direction they will be with a career plan that is prepared and their qualified potential is ready to enter the world of work. From the explanation and the data, it can be underlined that the problem will be processed into a research that has the main question as follows. First, is there an influence of self-efficacy on career maturity students at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta? Second, is there an influence of self-efficacy on internal locus of control education and internal locus of control students at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta? Third, is there an influence of internal locus of control on career maturity students at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta? Fourth, is there an influence of self-efficacy and internal locus of control on career maturity students at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta? And finally, the purpose of this research is first, knowing the effect of self-efficacy on career maturity students at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta. Second, knowing the effect of self-efficacy on internal locus of control at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta. Third, knowing the effect of internal locus of control on career maturity students at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta. And last, fourth, knowing the effect of self-efficacy and internal locus of control on career maturity students at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta. Chapter 2, Literature Review. First grand theory is Donald Super Career Development Theory. This theory was first proposed by Donald Super, who believed that career development is the process of developing a career self-concept. Concept of career maturity is used to describe the process of individuals making appropriate career decision and their ability to change and transition successfully through the text of each stage of development. In addition, the Super Career Development Theory has several ideas. Namely, first, each individual has diverse abilities, interests, values, and other things. Second, interpersonal uniqueness makes individuals choose career according to their respective passions. And third, individual and career difference in each individual are formed due to situational factors. Second grand theory, Bandura's self-efficacy theory. Self-efficacy theory was first coined in 1977 by Bandura. According to him, self-efficacy is an important part of social cognitive theory, or belief in the ability of individuals to achieve results. In social cognitive theory, self-efficacy becomes an aspect of knowledge about self-knowledge that is influential in everyday life. This is the belief in the ability within the individual to influence in determining actions to achieve their goals. Self-confidence affects the desire of individuals to develop multiple abilities within themselves, such as developing new patterns of behavior, so that high self-confidence will build self-ability through maximum effort on themselves. Third, grand theory, Rother's locus of control theory. The locus of control theory was proposed by Julian Rother in 1966, which is a person's belief in all sorts that control him. This concept explains that a person will develop an ability to control incidents in his life. The locus of control describes how far a person views the relationships between the action taken and the consequences results obtained. Next, theory self-efficacy. Self-efficacy can be interpreted as a form of a person's self-confidence in the skills and abilities he has to be able to solve every task or problem he faces. Self-efficacy has indicators such as one task difficulty level, to, to the behavior shown in the doing text, 3 strong or weak self-belief, 4 students' expectation on their abilities, 5 experience is not an obstacle or trait, and 6 making experience the basis for increasing confidence. Next theory, internal locus of control. Internal locus of control is a belief in individual that all actions and events he experiences are fully controlled by himself, so that the results obtained, good or bad, are his own efforts and abilities. Internal locus of control has indicators including 1 determination of hard work, 2 planning activities, and 3 taking responsibility, and last 4 thinking positively. Career maturity is a process research model and hypothesis. There is a model framework of this study which consists of 4 hypotheses, namely: first hypothesis, intensity of self-efficacy has a positive effect on career maturity. Second hypothesis, intensity of self-efficacy has a positive effect on internal locus of control. 3 hypothesis, intensity of internal locus of control has a positive effect on the career maturity. 4 hypothesis, intensity of self-efficacy and internal locus of control have a significant effect on career maturity. Chapter 3, research methodology. First, research time. This research started from the preparation of the proposal in February 2023 until July 2023, complete of the proposal. Research location. This research was conducted at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta in North Utan Kayu, East Jakarta, where the researchers' school of origin carried out the teaching activity program, or PKM. Research design. This study used a quantitative approach with a correlational research type. And population, students in class 12 at Vocational High School 40 Jakarta from Almayor, with a total population of 211 students. And last sample using professional stratified random sampling and Slovene formula were used to select sample 138 students from a population of 211 students. Data collection techniques. Researchers use primary data by using Google Forms to create a questionnaire. Data analysis technique to analyze and process primary data that has been obtained through questionnaires. Researchers use descriptive and inferential statistical analysis technique. They calculate the percentage change of correct or incorrect data using SAMPLS with the help of SmartPLS 3.0. The outer model is carried out to assess the validity and reliability of the model. Outer model evaluation is equipped with the indicators of comparison validity, discriminant validity, and composite reliability. The inner model is used to predict the relationship between latent variables. The inner model is evaluated by considering the percentage of variance namely the R square and F square values. That's all the presentation of the research proposal from me. Suggestion and criticism can be submitted directly to me as a researcher. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.